So what have we got? Tomatoes, onions. Let's see how it goes. Onions on the end, some more tomatoes in the middle, onions on the end, tomatoes, and a couple of tomatoes over there. Oops, the shadow, the sun is up, really blazing. Cucumber, tomato at the end there, tomato in the middle, and the rest of it is cucumber. And I think, okay, basil and some tomatoes, basil in the middle or basil in the middle, whichever way you pronounce it. Tomato, and then basil. So yeah, that is it. Even when nature is not so plentiful, you can still grow some few bits. This brings me so much joy. All of this grown from seeds except the onions. The onions were not grown from seed, and the basil wasn't grown from seed. This was grown from cuttings of basil I bought in the supermarket, and then just used the top bits and then kept the roots and planted them. So there you go. Nice.